Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make engagement invitation card in Canva. Once you have created your Canva account, which you can do for completely free, I want you to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in engagement, so you can do that right there. After you have done that, you're going to see a few options. You can see engagement announcement. You could select that, but what I would recommend you do is select engagement card landscape. You're going to tap on that option. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can see different card layouts that you can choose from. And this is one of the beautiful things about Canva. With Canva, you'll be able to create a professional looking card in no time, even as a complete beginner using these templates. So you can scroll down until you see a template of your liking. You can select that particular template and you can see that there are numerous options that you can choose from. Now let's say for example's sake, I were to select this one. All you'll need to do is simply tap on the template. Then you're going to tap on customize this template. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can now add your own personal touches. So for example, we can tap on the text box where the names are. And from there, you could change the current name that is there. So I could type in, for example, right there, I can change the name. So let's do that. After you have done that, if it is a case that you would like to change the date, which more than likely you will, you can also do that. So you can tap on the current date and you could change the date right there. After you're finished editing it, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on uploads, then you can select upload files and you can upload your image. For this example, I'll be using a copyright free image, so I'll select elements in the top left hand corner. Then you're just going to type in couples if you would like to use this, and I'm going to select pictures and I'm just going to be using this random pic. So you'll drag and place the picture as you can see right there. Also, if you would like to change the background color, you can do that by selecting the entire page, then tapping on the color box in the top left hand corner. You can select any one of these colors. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner, then select download and you can tap on download once more, and that's it. You have now created your engagement card. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.